Hi, we are going to do problem number 6 from the practice exam for chapter 4 and 5. Divide 15x cubed plus 24x squared minus 21x minus 9 by 5x plus 3. We'll write down 15x cubed plus 24x squared minus 21x minus 9 inside the box, and outside we will write the divisor, which is 5x plus 3. The first step is to take this 15x cubed and divide by 5x, or to check how many times 5x goes into 15x cubed. So 15x cubed divided by 5x. So that is going to give us 3x squared. So 3x squared goes on top. Once you write the 3x squared on top, then you multiply 3x squared with each one of the terms in the divisor. So 3x squared times 5x, which is 15x cubed, then 3x squared times 3, which is 9x squared. So we will write 15x cubed, then 9x squared in the second row. Once you write the second row, you have to subtract the second row from the first row, for which you have to change the signs of each term. It's negative here, negative there. So 15x cubed minus 15x cubed cancel out. 24x squared minus 9x squared will give us 15x squared. Then you bring the negative 21x down. We have to repeat this process. So which means we have to take the first term here, which is 15x squared, and divide it by the first term in the divisor. So 15x squared divided by 5x. On simplification, this will give us 3x. So 3x goes on top, 3x. Then you multiply each one of the terms, this 3x with each one of the terms of the divisor. So which is 3x times 5x, which is 15x squared, then 3x times 3, which is a 9x. Just 15x squared plus 9x. Once you write the second row, you subtract the second row from the first. So 15x squared minus 15x squared would cancel out, leaving us with the negative 21x minus 9x. Upon addition, it gives us negative 30x. And bring this negative 9 down. Now we have to repeat the same process as we did before. So take the first term here, and divide negative 30x over positive 5x. So that will give us negative 6. So that negative 6 goes on top. Now you multiply this negative 6 with each one of the terms in the divisor. So negative 6 times 5x, which is negative 30x. Negative 6 times 3, that is negative 18. So if you write that in the second row, just negative 30x minus 18, then you have to change the sign in the second row. This will become plus, this would become plus. So these two cancel out, leaving us with 9. So this 9 is called the remainder. Now we know that we have completed the division, because when you get to the stage where this number, the degree of this term is smaller than the degree of the divisor, in this case the remainder is of degree 0, the divisor is of degree 1. Then we have to stop our division process. The quotient is this one on top. So the quotient is 3x squared plus 3x minus 6, and the remainder is 9. You can also write the problem 15x cubed plus 24x squared minus 21x minus 9 over 5x plus 3 as quotient plus remainder over the divisor form, which is 3x squared plus 3x minus 6 plus remainder is 9, divisor is 5x plus 3. Hope this video helps.